to create a profile in Visual Studio Code. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own profile. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left top, you can see this tree line icon. Simply tap on this tree line icon. Now, on the top, tap on File, and here you'll be able to find the option called Preferences. Simply tap on Preferences, and on the first option, tap on Profiles. So, this is the profile section. Here, you can create different profiles for yourself. So basically, you can do this if you have multiple coders at once. Here, you can add a new profile by simply tapping on New Profile, and here, simply add a new name onto your profile. Here, you'll be able to save it, and later, you'll be able to switch profiles and even save different files in your profiles. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.